Hey guys, today I'm unboxing my moyu MFJS 3x3 the macaron. Let's see the box. And let's open inside. We have the cube instruction now. This cube is very smooth and easy to move with, soft. I like the color, very nice. The moving is so smooth and easy to make faster. Let us test the corner. For the corner, it's very smooth. Let's see how the corner twists. Not so hard, not so easy, but very hard. I don't like the corner twisting. Let's see how the move is. Ooh, the move is very smooth and I like it. The color is not so bright and not so like a normal color. This is the first color that I have. The moyu macaron 3x3 MFJS, the first one ever. This guy using moyu 3.4 seconds. Is from China. Very fast and very smooth. And I like the color with the texture, and the moving also smooth, but the more I like is the cube, so light, not so heavy, not like this. The YJ very heavy a little bit, not so like this is more light. And combined with the YJ is the color different, same size, the tall the same. This is not